I'm Ryan McFarland. We're here at the Lely North America reconditioning facility. I'm going to show you around what the robots look like when they come in versus when they come out. As you can see here, this is how they come into us. You can see a very dirty robot here. Not only the dirt that's on it, but you can see on the inside of the robot here, we have quite a bit of wires and hoses that need some adjustments. We're going to go around here to the beginning phase of the process where we start the disassembly of the robot. We begin the process of removing all the components that we're either going to replace or remove from the robot. After that, they go through a dry ice phase that gets a cleaning before they get over here to the rebuild phase. The rebuild phase, we're adding all the components back on, clean components, and putting those new components on the robot as needed. After that, we're making our way to the final prep before it goes into test. In this final prep, we work on adjusting any wires that need to be done and making them look as they should when they come out just as a like new robot. We begin the testing process, a very rigorous testing process identical to what we'd have in our main factory building the current A5 robot. As you can see, Chris is verifying some of the serial numbers to ensure that we have all the correct parts on the robot. Once we're done with that testing process, we come over here to the final pack out of the robot. This is where the robot makes its way to the farm on a pallet, gets all the final red components that it needs to make it ready to be used in your farm.